If you work in Microsoft Word and you need your figures and tables to look professional, consistent, and easy to reference, this video is going to help a lot. Today I'll show you how to insert figure captions and table titles in Microsoft Word step by step, so your document looks polished and organized. This is especially useful for reports, dissertations, research papers, manuals, and any document where readers need to quickly identify images and tables. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word launches, open the document you want to work on. This can be a new document or an existing file that already contains images and tables. The important thing is to make sure you're in the document where you want the captions to appear. Now scroll to the figure or a table you want to label. Click directly on the image if you're adding a figure caption, or click on the table if you're adding a table title. This step matters because Word needs to know exactly which object you want to attach the caption to. If you don't select the object first, the caption option may not work the way you expect. With the image or table selected, go up to the References tab in the Word ribbon. The References tab is where Word keeps tools for citations, footnotes, and captions. Once you're on that tab, look for the Insert Caption button and click it. This will open the Caption Settings window where you can create and customize your label. In the Caption dialog box, you'll see a label option. Click the drop-down menu and choose Figure if you're captioning an image, chart, or diagram. Choose Table if you're labeling a table. Word will automatically format the caption based on the label you select, which helps keep everything consistent throughout your document. Next, look at the position setting. Here you can choose whether the caption should appear above or below the selected item. For most figures, captions are often placed below the image, while table titles are commonly placed above the table. But you can choose whichever position matches your formatting requirements or document style guide. Just make sure you're consistent across the entire file. After that, type your caption text in the caption field. Keep it clear and descriptive. For example, you might write something like Figure 1, Sales Growth Chart, or Table 1, Monthly Revenue Data. The goal is to make it easy for the reader to understand what they're looking at without adding too much text. If you want, Word can also automatically number your captions for you, which is very helpful in longer documents. Once your caption text is ready, click OK. Word will insert the caption directly into your document in the position you selected. You'll now see your figure or table labeled properly, and you can continue editing the rest of your document as needed. If you have multiple figures and tables, repeat the same process for each one. Select the object, go to References, click Insert Caption, choose the correct label, set the position, type the text, and click OK. Doing it this way helps keep your numbering and formatting professional and consistent from start to finish. And that's it. You now know how to insert figure captions and table titles in Microsoft Word. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference in how polished and readable your document looks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.